left in pieces where you dropped me. I don't know how you already forgot me. You ran away with no regard. We were so close, but now we're far. Too bad I'm broken from words unspoken. I just want to be cared for again. Can you fix my music box? My heart is shy, just like my thoughts. I just want the song to play, the one that takes my breath away. Can you fix my music box? The ribbon's frayed, you've gone astray. Can you fix my music box? The doll won't move and the song won't start. Can you fix my music box? My heart is shy, just like my thoughts. I just want the song to play, the one that takes my breath away. Can you fix my music box? The ribbon's frayed, you've gone astray. Can you fix my music box? The doll won't move and the song won't start. Da 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 da. Ooh, I've been itching, something's missing. Feel left drifting, and I've been wondering where I could visit. Booked a ticket, 'cause I miss it. Got me wishing that we were on a vacation to the places, the secret places no one used to go but us. Like the nape of your neck and that scar I love to touch. I know you love to relax at the small of my back. Swim through my fingers, get lost in my mind. I've been itching, something's missing. Feel left drifting, and I've been wondering where I could visit. Booked a ticket, 'cause I miss it. Got me wishing that we were on a vacation. Bare feet on concrete, told me walk to the singing road. The one that calls out my name, the one that calls out home. Bare feet on concrete, trace the lines of a paper map to the places that I've never been, but my heart's already at. Someday, some way, I'll cover the map with push pins on my wall. Singing road feels like home. Wherever it goes, I always hear
lost so much for space and time. I've been just falling in love. So while you're out there moving on, I'll be singing stupid songs for you. A good reminder not to waste your time again, just falling in love. 'Cause once I mentioned the way I feel for you, started going away. Never questioned if it was real, but who am I to have any say? I've imagined things before, but I'm not closing any doors as long as you'll be coming in.